Your dog thinks you died and keeps giving you the Heimlich. Like, wake up from the dead.
No, she abuses me. If I snore, she'll come up and fucking hit me in the face. She's like, shut up. Stop it.
Meanwhile, you
I,
don't
like,
notice
wake up.
your wife has a animal paw on a stick that she's turning around and hitting you with.
Yeah, she's got a rabbit's foot in the fucking dresser drawer of the bed.
Your wife's so good with it that she whips that thing around like her name's Simon Belmont.
Yeah, she's just Castlevania in my face.
It's waking up going, ah, damn, dog did it again.